Cade, where are you going? Cade, say happy. Say happy. Whoa. Get out of the way, Ryan. Cade. Cade, come here. Say hi, Cade. Cade, come here. Kyler, get away. Guys, get away from the truck. Ryan, get away. Thank you. Oh, Ryan. There you go. Say, Daddy, here's the mail. Here. Wait. You gotta hold it right here, or else you're gonna drop it all. Okay. You're doing good, Maddie. Go, Cade, go. Can you say happy birthday? Yes, you are. Cade,
yes.
Cade.
Yes. I'm a bigger kid than you, Maddie. I'm a bigger one.
It's okay, Ryan. She's still big.
No.
You don't have to beat her. Are you big?
No, he's little.
Cade, say happy birthday.
Yeah, it is.
Don't touch. Yeah?
He wants to say
Touch your
head,
toes?
shoulders, knees, and toes.
That's what it looks like, huh?
Yeah. He says head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes.
Hi, Mommy.
Knees and toes. Hi, Kyler. Weirdo. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth and nose. Where's your nose? Nose, Cade. Good job, Maddie. Where's your nose, Cade?
Ryan!
Where's your nose?
Come here! What?
Hey, be soft.
Ryan! Can you do this, Tigra? You do.
Oh, careful. You okay, Maddie?